Team Tierra B. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm in the car and we are rolling, you guys. It is Friday and I am just going to go ahead and make a little extra money after work, because I just got off my full-time job, got the kids settled after school with dad, and now I'm on to make some money, extra money I'll say. So I'm going to see what I can do within about 4 hours. Like I said, it's currently about 3:41 at this point, and I'm going to try to go until about 7:40 because that's about around the time that it gets dark in my city. So right now I'm headed to my zone, which will allow me to get pick up 3 people in a row and make $9.50 extra on top of the fare. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm at a stoplight right now. So I want to thank you guys for joining me. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me and stay tuned for the ride. Alright, you guys, so quick update. I am about an hour in. It is currently 4:46 and I am at $29. So I'm doing really well. I'm actually hopeful that I'll get to $100 and go ahead and average out to $25 an hour, maybe even $29 an hour, considering we're starting off pretty good by about 7:40. So if you guys will continue to ride along with me, that would be awesome, and I will catch you guys on the next update. Stay with me. Alright, Team TRB, time for a quick update. We are at the halfway mark and it is currently, well, roughly halfway. It's 5:34, so a little under 2 hours, and I am at $50, you guys, and some change. I'm feeling really confident that we can hit $100 tonight before it gets dark, so definitely want you guys to stay with me. I hope you're enjoying so far, and I'll catch you in the next clip. Y'all, so it is time for another quick update. It is currently 6:30 p.m. and I am at $80. So I'm doing fantastic, you guys. I am about 15 minutes away from being at 3 hours and I've already made $80. So doing well. You see, I still got some daylight left, so we're about an hour away from closing out this challenge, and I'm definitely confident that we'll hit $100. Let's keep rolling. So it's time for my last update. It is currently 7:28 and I have reached my goal. Yay! So I made $103. And as you can see, I still have some daylight. I'm actually on my way to one more person just because I already have them in the queue. So I'm going to knock that out. But I'm going to go ahead and close out this video here because by the time I'm done with them, it may actually be dark. So I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Again, I am Tierra B and I am out.